Alright, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 5. Alright, let's solve the quadratic equation here. Alright, so first thing is I'm going to put all the terms on the left-hand side. So I'm going to add 6x and subtract 2. So you get x squared, so add 6x and subtract 2. So there's going to be 0 on the other side. Alright. Then we have, so this is going to be, alright, so try to think about how to factor this out, alright? But you can see that here, it's there's no integers whose product is -2 and the sum is -6, because it's going to be 1 and 2. So what we need to do is we're going to try a quadratic formula, right? So remember, quadratic formula goes something like this. X is equal to, so if you have a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, right? Then x is going to be -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? So let's follow that. So this is going to be x equals, alright, so -b, so it's going to be -6 plus or minus square root of, alright, b squared, so it's going to be 6 squared would be 36, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is -2, right, and over 2a, so it's going to be 2, right? So what's this right here? So it's going to be 36 plus 8, so it's going to be 44. So it's going to be, right, so -6 plus or minus square root of 44, right? Alright, since we can rewrite 44, let's see, 44 can be broken down into, so there's an even number, so it's a 22, still even, 2, then 11. So 44 is 2 times 2 times 11, which means that we can rewrite square root of 44. So once you have a pair of numbers, we can pull one of them out, and then you have a square root of 11, right? Then, so we can rewrite this. Alright, so it's -6 divided by 2 would be -3, plus or minus 2 square root of 11 divided by 2, 2 cancel out, so it's a square root of 11. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, we got, let's see, -3 minus square root of 11, and of course -3 plus square root of 11. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.